Hi everybody, David here once again, and today I'd love to talk to you. Hi everybody, it's David here once again from Deals with David. Today I want to talk to you about a really fun musical instrument. This is the Kalimba thumb piano from Lekato. Let's get it out of the box and take a look under the product can. All right, open things up, and on the inside already a nice soft carrying case for everything that comes along with it. And here is this beautifully designed thumb piano. Now, I don't know how to play this, but you could certainly have a lot of fun learning to play this, and it's just got a beautiful, unique sound to it. Maybe you know a musician in the family that would love to have this as part of their musical collection. Young children would really appreciate this. They love music and they love learning, and this would be a great way to do that. With this beautiful design here on the front, an instruction booklet that comes along with teaches you how to play and has included songs on the inside like, you know, Mary Had a Little Lamb and, of course, the birthday song. A cleaning cloth up here and some thumb protectors or finger protectors, and it also includes its own tuning hammer. You can have hours of fun, learn a new hobby, and just put some new, unique sounding music into your life. The Kalimba thumb piano from Lekato. Thanks again for watching, and as always, happy shopping.